Hello, everyone. My name is Dr. Oke Udo, and today we'll be discussing an important topic, though controversial a bit, tax, tight in a tight economy. You will agree with me that over 60% of households worldwide are facing financial difficulties due to inflation, rising living costs, and stagnant wages. In this challenging time, many of us are trying to balance our civic duty to pay taxes with our spiritual responsibility to tithe. But when money is tight, how can we manage both? Let's talk about the role of taxes. Taxes are crucial. They fund public services like healthcare, education, and infrastructure. But did you know that during recessions, government often increase taxes to cover budget gaps? In fact, the average tax burden is 25% of income in many countries, and that can feel overwhelming. There are tax relief programs out there, but many people aren't aware of how to go about it. It's more important than ever to stay informed about these options. So always connect with us. But let me talk about the significance of tithing. Tithing, as a matter of fact, is a tradition dating back thousands of years. It's a significant practice in many faiths. Despite economic hardships, 45% of religious individuals continue to tithe regularly. However, during tough financial times, some religious groups allow flexibility, while others see tithing as a non negotiable act of faith. But it's important to remember that tithing isn't always about the amount. Sometimes it's about finding alternative ways, the ways to show our love to God. It's an expression of our love. So, what are the challenges in a tight economy? When you are already struggling, paying taxes and tithing can feel like competing priorities. A recent survey showed that 1 in 4 regular tithers had to reduce or stop their contribution during economic downturns. And let's face it, many of us face the dilemma of whether to prioritize our spiritual obligations or our civic duties. It is a tough choice. On top of that, low and middle income earners often bear the brunt of both taxes and economic hardship, making this balance even harder. Then, how do we find a balance? So, how do we manage? So, financial experts suggest that you should aim to allocate not more than 30% of your income for taxes and charitable giving combined, including tithe. If money is tight, consider alternative ways to give, but always show your love, like volunteering or offering your skills to a religious community. And don't forget, in some countries, up to 50% of your tithes and charitable donations can be deducted from your taxes. So reducing your financial burden while still supporting your community is inevitable. May I wrap up for now by saying thank you for watching. Balancing taxes and tithe in a tight economy is a difficult topic, and I would love to hear your thoughts. How do you manage these financial obligations? Have you found any helpful strategies? Share your ideas in the comments below. Let's start a conversation. Before you go, I would like to mention something crucial. 75% of you who regularly watch these videos haven't subscribed yet. If you have found any value in today's talk, could you do me a quick favor? Please hit the subscribe button. Your support helps this channel grow and allow us to bring in more expert guests and deliver even more content tailored to your professional development. You will see more content. Just watch out. Thank you.